Today I'm going to show you how to make Kungpao noodles. First, I want to tell you what I'm using for this dish. I'm going to use one chicken breast, cut them into thin strips. And also I'm going to use some vegetables, green red pepper, green onions, mushrooms, and also red onions. And also we're going to top with our roasted peanuts. And of course, our star is noodles. For those of you who kind of concerned, you have to go to Asian store to buy those Asian noodles. A good news for you, you don't have to do that. Linguine works great. So you can just go to your regular grocery store and buy a pack of linguine noodles, okay? And our magic sauce is Kungpao sauce. So let's get started. So first we need to cook our noodles. Boil some water and then add a little salt. After that, add your noodles. So we're going to cook it for a few minutes until it's completely cooked, tender but firm. Just like you do spaghetti, just don't overcook it. So now our noodles are done. I rinse in cold water and then drain it. So now we're ready to do the stir-fry part. First, I'm going to heat my pan. Then add about 2 to 3 tablespoons oil. It depends on how much you're cooking. Then we'll wait until oil is hot enough. How can you tell oil is hot? When you start putting the vegetables or meat, it starts to sizzle right away. So let's add our chicken strips. Did you hear that? That's a very good sound. So now we're going to add our vegetables. First, the red onion and the green onion white part. So cook until your chicken almost done. Because I cut it thin strips, so it doesn't take very long to get it cooked through. Then we're going to add mushrooms. And then we're going to add our green and red peppers. They all slice evenly, so the cooking time is about the same. And now we're going to add our cooked noodles. So we need to toss, okay? Make sure you keep tossing. Then we're going to add our sauce. Very nice flavor. And again, just keep tossing so it will mix evenly. It's beautiful, delicious taste. It's beautiful to look at. It's really good dish. This you don't have to cook very long because your chicken is already cooked, your noodles are already cooked. All you need to do is just cook them together, add some flavor. So now I'm going to add green onion, the green part. Beautiful. It's done. Is that simple? It's so delicious. So, and then we're going to put our peanuts on top. So I'm going to put some in here. It's delicious, crunchy. So let's put some on the plate. Look at this. Smells delicious. Can't wait to eat it. This is healthy, delicious, a complete meal. You have your protein, vegetables, and your carb, and nuts. So let's add a few more peanuts. Here you have it. Delicious, easy Kungpao noodle dish.